How to get a custom logo on ESPN Fantasy Football. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to add a custom logo to your ESPN Fantasy Football team, so make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the ESPN Fantasy app on your device. Navigate to your team page, tap the Fantasy Home label at the top of screen. From the menu, select your team. In Teams tab, simply tap on your current logo to open Info section. Here, tap on the Edit button located in the top right corner of your information page. Choose your logo. You can choose from ESPN's free default logo options or upload your own custom logo from web. To upload a custom logo, tap on Upload Custom Image from web. Enter the URL of your selected logo from web. Ensure the image is in an appropriate format, JPEG or PNG, and meets ESPN's size requirements. For now, I am selecting the ESPN's free logo pack. After selecting or uploading your logo, tap on Save to apply the changes. Now the new logo has been updated for your team. And that's how you add a custom logo to your ESPN Fantasy Football team. This simple step adds a personal touch and makes your team stand out from the crowd. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fantasy football tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your team logo ideas. Thanks for watching.